Welcome to another hip hop breakdown, guys. My name is Ceech. Today, I got my boy here, Hayden, and we're gonna do a little bit of breakdown for you guys. All right. So here we go. Let's go from the top. There's only 2 8 counts. Follow along. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. All right, guys. There it is. Great job, Hayden. Okay. So let's break this down. Mostly it's the legs. So we're going to focus on the legs right now. Let's stop. And again, every time I break this down, it's going to be chunking. All right. Now, for those that are interested in learning the prior 2 8 counts, I'm going to have a link right here. This little card is going to take you to the previous episode, the previous breakdown. So you're going to know what we did before. And stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to have my students do the entire 4 8 counts. All right. So now here we go. From here, focus on the legs. The count is 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Notice the right leg starts in the front. The back leg is the left leg. Here we go. And we're slowing down right here. We got 1 and 2, 3 and 4. All right? One more time. So right on the one, okay, I'm hopping back. My weight is on the right leg, on the front leg. Notice the jump. Boom. So the foot comes back, right? The right foot comes back while at the same time, left leg is kicking forward. And I run forward. And 2 right there. And I just repeat again, 3 and 4. 3 and 4. All right? So that's the leg breakdown. Now, as far as the arms, you don't need to focus too much on it. However, if you do want to focus on the arm, watch. I'm basically doing like I'm running, okay, right here. Look at this is right here is my left arm. Right on the 1, left arm goes back, right hand goes forward, kind of like you're running, basically. Okay, that's 1 and 2. Right on 2, that's when I switch arms. All right. One of the major pitfalls that a lot of students do is they switch the arms on the end. You don't do that. You gotta wait all the way till the 2, 1 and 2, and switch on the 3. This is 3 and 4 on the 4. All right. So I go right into it. Now we're gonna move right into the and 5 and 6. And 7 and 8. So notice the and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay? So here we go. This is 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, again, focus on the legs. So this is 4. Now, this right here, this is my left leg. I'm going to do a step touch. Okay, this is more like a double time. You're going da, 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 and 5. Here's the and 5, watch. And 5. And then now my right leg, and 6, okay? Hayden's doing exactly the same. It's perfect. Now, you're going to do like a crisscross. You're going to jump across, and 7, okay? So my left leg is slightly in front. Now, people in the class always ask, is it, does it have to be left? It doesn't matter. I mean, for uniform's sake, like if your choreographer says, hey, we're going to do right leg or left leg in front, then just got to do it, okay? But in our case right now, I got the left leg and then the right leg in front, all right? So that's it. That's the first 8 count, guys. Like if you're ready, let's move on to second 8 count. Here we go. Again, I'm going to focus on the legs. This is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. Rewind back just a little bit. Here we go. So the legs, you're jumping up. So the legs are apart on the 8th. Okay. Right on the 1, you jump together. Right on 2, you're going to step over to the right side. That's the 2. Okay. And then you got and 3. Now the and, I lift up my knee, all right? But let's go back. Now let's focus on the arm. Watch what the arms are doing. Right on the 1, boom, your hands are up, kind of like, freeze, give me your money kind of thing, right? Hands up in the air. Okay, that's 1. Now and 2, watch the and. And my left hand comes down, give my right knee a slap. That's on the and. And 2. On the 2, left arm comes up, right when I step as well. Hayden, great job right there. And you're going to do and 3 and right there. This is also the left arm. So the left arm is doing the work. And 3 is right here. And then and 4, you're going to clap behind your back and clap in front. This is the back front. All right. So that's the and 4. So one more time. Let's focus on the arms, just the arms. So we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. All right. So good. We got the legs. We got the arms. Now let's finish up on the 5, 6, 7, 8. Focus on the legs now. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So the legs itself is not that bad. We're just gonna jump out on the 5. Okay, so notice on the 5, right leg is gonna jump out. This is the 5. The left leg is in the air. 5, and on the end, the left leg touch. 6, both feet down. That's 5 and 6. Okay, 5 and 6. Now you're gonna go and 7, which is the head, and 7 right there. All right, and then and 8, jump out and 8. Okay, right, one more time. Let's focus on the arms, on the upper body. Right on the 5, my arms are going out. Boom, right there at a 45-degree angle. Is this 45? It's close to 45. Let's just call it 45, but it's more like maybe 40 or 35 degrees, whatever it is, okay? So you're gonna do an angle right here. That's the 5. And on the end, you're just closing in. The elbow comes in, but the angle of the arm is still the same. Hayden's got a great 45. This looks like a 45 right here. So that's 5. And on the 6, boom, right when you step, the elbows, you're gonna go opposite direction 45 this way. Okay, that's 5 and 6. Now just the head. You want to isolate only the head. And 7, just the head going boom, boom, right? Kind of like a pendulum. And 7. Now and 8, and you're basically like, think about you grabbing something, down, and you're gonna lift it up. And 8, lift it up on the end and 8. And guys, that is it. Great job. This 2 8 counts is not that hard, but however, it does consist of arms and legs together. This is a great way for everybody to get into learning some hand-eye, not just hand-eye, leg, and everything coordination. All right, this is a great way to get started. Now, what I want to do right now, I promise you, I'm going to show you my class doing this routine. Again, check out the old video. Check out the 2 8 counts prior. So we're going to do an entire 4 8 counts. This is my class right here. Natalie right here. She's excellent dancer. Anyways, here you go. Let's check it out. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 8, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. Now here's the new part, right? This is the part we learned today. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 2 and 3 and 4. Yo, that is it, everybody. So congratulations, making it all the way to the end. If you like this, obviously give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Every week I put out new content, so new breakdowns and warm-ups. Check out the old videos if you haven't. So guys, my name is Ceech once again, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace. I'm out.